So these guys, they know how to ride, man. These guys are going to be a lot quicker than me. Oh, I think he just about hit a deer. Oh, shit. Oh, I think he just about hit a deer. Oh, shit. Holy cow. Wow. Dude, I got that on camera, man. I think something fell off your bike back there, man. Let me go see what it was. So I think the deer actually hit him. Oh, it knocked his camera off. Dude, he hit a freaking deer with his camera. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's wild. I'm hoping that I'm close enough to be able to see that on my camera, and I'm also hoping that there wasn't very much dust. I don't remember. I can see it pretty well. Dude, did you hit that deer with this?
What's that? A clean spot.
You hit the deer with that?
It must have. I bet you there's some. Do you have it on? No.
I got it on camera.
Well, he got it.
I don't know how well I'm going to see it. It was weird because I saw the first one, and then you almost nailed the one, man.
No, it's the same one.
Oh, was it the same one?